right, so we're preparing to mask off so we can paint our blue. So we have to paint the blue, and then the intake manifold is going to be satin black. So that's how Shelby had it. And these will be satin black. And then of course we will sand the logo and the ribs. Same with the logo here. We'll sand over it gently as well, because that's how it was. This is original. Like, I like bringing that up a million times, but that's because it is. It's real deal. So, everything nice and clean. Check that out. Take a look at that internally. It's beautiful. Spectacular. All right, so this is ready. I'm gonna start masking. Damn near ready for paint. Just gotta cover up our valve train. And away we go. Looking good, sir. Yeah, baby.